Hello, and welcome to Supreme Online Marketer. I'm Christina. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your payment methods for Textbot AI. But before I begin, if this is your first time here on the channel, I would like to invite you to click on the big red button below and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon too, so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And feel free to leave a comment. I'll be sure to get back to you. So with those things out of the way, let's get started. I'm going to show you where to go to set up your payment methods once you've logged into your back office. You're going to go here right below your profile picture where you'll see a drop-down menu called Quick Links. Go ahead and click on that. Then you click on Profile. Then you'll click right here on the Payment Methods tab. The first field you're going to populate is going to be PayPal. Here, you'll enter the email address you used when you created your PayPal account, or you can enter your PayPal link, which you can access when you log into your PayPal account by clicking on the settings icon, the one that looks like a gear, on the top right-hand side. There, you'll see your link right under your picture and your email address when you click on the Personal Info tab. The next is CashApp. Here, you're going to enter your CashApp username, which is called a cash tag. But first, you're going to enter the $, then your username right after. Or you can enter your mobile number or the email address associated with your CashApp account. And once again, you can access this information when you log into your CashApp account by clicking on your profile picture on the top right-hand side. Then you'll see your username with the $, in front of it. And if you want to see what mobile number or email address is associated with this account, then just click on the Personal tab. Now the next one is Venmo. Here, you're going to enter your username as well, but this time with the @ in front of it. Or you can enter your mobile number, or you can enter the email address, the one that you used when you created your Venmo account. And if you don't know what that is, all you have to do is log into your Venmo account and click on the 3 lines on the top right-hand side. There, you'll see your username right under your name, and it'll have the @ in front of it. Now, if you want to enter your email address or phone number instead, then go ahead and click on the Settings tab right below. Then Edit Profile. Then we have Google Pay. Here, you're going to enter your Gmail. And for Apple Cash, you're going to enter your mobile number or email address associated with your Apple Cash account. And for credit card, you're going to enter the link that you get from a third-party source. Now the next one is Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, you're going to enter your Bitcoin address. And for Zelle, here you'll enter the email address or telephone number you used when you created your Zelle account. Feel free to comment below if you don't know where to locate this information on any of these accounts. Okay, now we're done, and you want to be sure to click on the Save Payment Methods settings. That pretty much sums it up for now. Short and sweet, right? Okay, listen. I really hope this helped you understand how to set up your payment methods in your Textbot account. Now, if you really enjoyed this video today, if you got some value from it, let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and let me know what you thought in the comments below. And once again, if this is your first time here on the channel, I would like to invite you to click on the big red button below and subscribe. And don't forget, click on the bell icon too, so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Take care. I'll see you soon.